Hey Nathan here, just a quick update on my tutorials. Since I was between series, we finished the Mono Game Basics and the DirectX 9 Basic Introduction series. Since those are now done, I decided to wait for Windows 10 and Visual Studio 2015. With that being said, the DirectX series is going to change. I'm going to go back and do a transition from DirectX 9 to DirectX 12. So we're going to be jumping to DirectX 12. So things are going to be a little bit different. I'm going to go back and discuss how to display 2D images to the screen and how to set everything up, since you have to do more of a manual process with DirectX 12 than you did with DirectX 9. And then after that, we're going to do the pawn clone on both the DirectX and Mono Game. And the Mono Game is actually, I'm going to do an advanced techniques series, and let me bring up my OneNote here. Oh, this is the first time I open it. Let's open up the full OneNote, because I actually opened up that one. So this is the Mono Game Advanced Series list so far. I'm changing this around here and there, but this is probably going to be similar to what the first 11 series or tutorials will be for this series. I'm going to discuss rectangular collision, basically collision detection, and stuff in like the first 4 videos. And then how to manipulate a object by rotating it, scaling, and then matrix transformations. And then we rotate the rectangle, the object's rectangle, we rotate that so we can do rotated rectangular collision detection. And then I'll discuss rotated per pixel collision detection. Then after that, we'll get to the good stuff like sprite sheets, animation, and then further down the line will be a skeletal animation and stuff like that. I don't have a tab for artificial intelligence. I'm going to work on that series again. I'm going back and redoing a lot of stuff. As you see here, I'm working on my PGL 2D library, and that will be used for all my new versions of my game, the new version of the pawn clone, the new version of the space shooter, and the new version of the tower defense. And then my next game, a full game implementation. You can read up on that on my website for Game Project 2014. So I'm going to use my 2D game library for that. And then I'm going to have a separate library for artificial intelligence. So I'm going to work on that, and then I'm going to start on the artificial intelligence series again. And that will be focused with Mono Game and not XNA. So I just wanted to give you a quick update. I have Windows 10 installed. I have Visual Studio 2015 installed. I have the Windows 10 SDK with DirectX 12, and I'm good to go. So tutorials will be out shortly. I'll get started. Probably start with a few Mono games. I'm probably going to go as fast as I can for the first 4 tutorials, and probably the next 3 after that. I'll probably get those going in the next couple weeks, maybe 3 weeks, just to catch up on some stuff. DirectX Advanced, yeah, the object rectangle, just the same stuff, rectangular collision detection in DirectX and that kind of thing, but I'm going to go back and redo the basics, at least most of them. Keyboard input, that's going to be the same with DirectX 12, but how to display a sprite is going to be a lot different from DirectX 9 to DirectX 12. So I'm going to do a DirectX 12 basic series, or transitional series if you want to call it that. It's going to be based off the DirectX 9 series, and it's just going to show you how to go from that to how to use 2D in DirectX 12. So I'll probably call that a transitional series. And then the advanced series will be all DirectX 12. Alright, so hopefully this recording went well. This is another reason why I wanted to do this recording, is to test recording on Windows 10 to see if it worked well. I don't think they updated my screen recorder in a while, so it might need to be updated to work properly with Windows 10, but we'll see if the recording is fine. Other than that, just stay tuned for tutorials, and if you have any questions or want to know how I like Windows 10, ask me in the comments and I'll reply to it. So see you next time.